Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be looking at the forecast of upcoming week of DXY, Euro USD and USDJPY. So let's start with DXY. So basically this is a weekly time frame. Price sweep the lower low. Price was in downtrend and price sweep the lower low. Grab the sell side liquidity and body candle closes within the previous week candle. So and it is also a bullish candle, so we can expect a bullish move in DXY because price sweep this liquidity and this liquidity, and then body candle closes inside the candle of body of previous candle. So our first target will be this because price created CRT and sweep the CRT low, body candle closes above, and then our first target will be this, and then we can target these two buy side liquidity, and then if price has great momentum then we can target this high, but our first target is previous week high, and then our next target will be buy side liquidity because this is a valid swing. So this is our valid swing. Price sweep the take out the previous candle high, so this is our valid swing, and now price dump to the downside. So we can expect a move first to this previous candle high and then to this buy side liquidity. So these are our two targets for upcoming week. Let's look at the daily time frame. So this is our daily time frame. Price take out these two low and then violate this FEG. So this is the first indication that now price is bullish, because most of the time price should respect the FEG. So whenever price violate the FEG, so we this is our first signal that now price has changed the direction and we can expect a bullish move. And also price created a CISD, so this is basically a change in state of delivery. So this is another indication of the price that price is moving to the upside direction, and we will target this is our previous week high. This is our first target, and then we will later on we can target this high if we found a great bullish momentum in the upcoming week. So this is our valid IFEG, and we can target this high and we can expect a move to this FEG, IFEG. So on daily time frame, price printed a daily FEG and this IFEG, so we can expect a down move to this IFEG and this or this FEG, and then we will look for our entry model to form our buy setup from this two position or two main PY. So these are the two PY where I will be looking for my entry model. If you don't know my entry model, I have created a PDF and you can get it from the description for free. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. On my Twitter account, I pointed attention to this mitigation block. This was the mitigation block. If you follow me, then I hope you would capture this bullish move. This bullish move. So I wanted attention to this mitigation block wick of this bearish candle, and I was expecting a bullish move to this external liquidity, and price jump to the downside, tap into this wick, and then tap into this FEG. This was the valid FEG, and then take out the external liquidity. So this was my PY. Now I will be waiting for a price first because I marked this IFEG from the daily time frame. Let me show you again. This is the FEG that price violate. Now this become the IFEG. So most of the time price can be to this inversion, and then we can expect a bullish move to the upside. So these are the two PYs. And if you look in the 4-hour time frame, there is a valid order block that is untapped, and we will most of the time, if when the wick did not overlap with FEG, so I like mark the body of the, so we can expect a bullish move from this zone. This is my first PY and DXY, and then this is my second PY. So this is most valid PY, like this is high probability setup, because we have already sorry, price will take this liquidity as IDM, so we can expect a bullish move from this point. So this is DXY. I will be looking for buy from these two zone. First this order block, and then this daily FEG. These are the two high probability PY from where you can go long. So now let's look at the USDJPY. USDJPY, as we know that DXY and USDJPY has a positive correlation. So if DXY is bullish, we will be expecting a bullish move also in USDJPY. Now let's look at the weekly time frame first. I pointed attention to this FEG in my previous videos. So price tap into this FEG, take out this low, first low, second low, and third low. Take out these three low, and body candle closes above, like sweeping all the lows, tap into FEG, and body candle closes above the body of previous candle. So we can expect a bullish move first to this swing high, and then to this round liquidity. Now let's look at the daily time frame. So price created this IFEG, and this is your change in state of delivery, same as DXY. So we can expect a move to the downside, and then we will target this high. So or we can expect a bullish move from this wick. We will find a PY on the lower time frame in this wick. So this is our first PY, which is daily FEG. Now let's look at the 4-hour time frame, and this is our another PY, which is the order block, and the price can take out this swing is inducement, or create a turtle soup here like this. If body candle closes above, I will be looking for buy, and my target will be this high. So this is my first target. If price tap into this order block, I will be looking for buy. And another expectation that we can have is that price may take out this uh, higher high. If body candle closes above like this, then I will be looking for buy on the retest of this candle. So this is our second scenario, but this one is the most high probability setup that we can expect. Now let's look at the 1-hour chart. This is inducement, and this is our high probability setup. And price here we also have price take out this external liquidity, and price created FEG with CASD, and CASD, this is our CASD. So we can expect a down move from this to this order block, because this is valid FEG and order block, and we can expect a bullish move to the downside. But I will wait for a clear setup in this for a high probability setup. Entry model, because this is a low probability PY, I would prefer you to wait for this order block, which is a daily FVG. This is a daily FVG, so I will wait, recommend you to wait for this FVG. So this is our most probability setup. If price come back to this zone and printed us a clear entry model in 15 minutes like this, so we can expect a buy move to this zone on the FVG like this. So this is our PY, the most high probability setup, and I will also look for buy from this. I will wait for the midnight open. This will be our midnight. Let's convert it into New York. So this will be our midnight open here. I will wait for the midnight open. If price the midnight candle open here, I will wait for price to trade below the midnight and tap into this FEG and take out the Asian low, and then in London I will look for buy and I will target this low. So I will wait for a setup like this. Let's assume this is our midnight open. I hope you will understand the midnight open concept. Let's assume this is our midnight open, right? And this is our Asian session. Asian session is before the midnight open. So this is our Asian session and this is our midnight. Let's assume this is our midnight. Price traded below the midnight and take out the Asian low and then tap into this FEG or this order block and then give us a clear CISD model, which is our entry model, and then I will look for a buy from this zone and I will target this high. If price printed a model like this, then I will be entering long, but until price created a clear entry model, I won't go long. I will wait for this order block. But if price created a clear model as I have explained, then I will be looking for long and targeting this high. So this is USDJPY, and now let's look at the EURUSD. EURUSD have negative correlation to DXY most of the time. So if we are bullish on DXY, we will be bearish on EURUSD. Price created a SMT on EURUSD with GBPUSD. Let's look at the GBPUSD. Price failed to break this high. Price created a failure swing, and on EURUSD, price take out this high. So this is basically smart money divergence in ICT, and this is the first indication that now prices will move to the downside, because whenever two positive correlation created SMT, so this is your first indication of the change in trend. I hope you would understand the SMT concept. If not, I will create a separate video on this. So price take out the external liquidity. Let's look at the weekly time frame. Price created the external liquidity and created SMT with GBPUSD. Let's look at the GBPUSD. Price created a failure swing. So this is SMT with EURUSD, and this is EURUSD. Most of the time I only trade EURUSD and USDJPY. That's why we will be looking at only these two pair. So these are price created SMT. This is our first signal that now price changes direction. Price take out the ERL, which is external liquidity. I hope you know that price move from ERL to IRL and then from IRL to ERL. Now price take out the ERL, so we can expect a move to IRL. Basically IRL is equal like is FEG. IRL is in the form of FEG, order block, breaker block, and mitigation block. So these are the type, and also swing point. These are the type of internal liquidity, and uh, ERL is the main swing, which is in uptrend higher high and in lower downtrend lower low. So price take out the higher high, which is external liquidity, and now we can expect a move to the internal liquidity. So we don't have any breaker block or mitigation block, clear mitigation block or FEG. So we only have swing point, which is in the form of IRL. So we can expect a move to the IRL, and then we can expect a bullish move. But if price has great momentum to the downside, we can expect a down move to the down liquidity. But this is our first target. I will target first the low of the previous week, and then my next target will be the internal liquidity. So this is the weekly time frame. I am bearish on euro USD, and then price created a IFEG. This is another sign of bearish signal price. This is our first sign, and also price take out the external liquidity. This is our second sign that now price will move to the internal liquidity, which is this on the weekly time frame. And this is your third sign. Price violated this FEG, which was a strong FEG, and price violated this means that now price uh, has shifted its trend, and also price violated this mitigation block. So we can expect a down move to this previous week low, and then FEG to the downside. So I will wait for a clear setup entry model on this IFEG, and I will target this previous week low and all these low. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame to define our entry point. There is no valid point FEG or any mitigation block. We have only order block which is without FEG. So without FEG, the order block is like a low probability setup. But I think we have a small FEG over here. Yes, we have a small FEG. The size of FEG doesn't matter, so I didn't notice this before. So we can expect a move to the upside, take out this swing liquidity, which is internal liquidity, and tap into this FEG, and then I will sell from this zone, and I will target first this low, and then later on this low. So I will wait for a entry model in 15 minutes at this zone to create a candle like this in 4-hour, like this. Price sweep the swing, tap into the order block, and then I will look for sell on the next candle. And now let's look at the 1-hour time frame. This is our inducement, and here we have a clear FEG. So we can expect a down move from this 1-hour FEG. So this is the most high probability setup. If price come back to this zone, we will I will sell from this zone. So these were the analysis of euro USD, USDJPY and DXY. I am bullish on DXY, and I am bearish on euro USD. So these were the analysis for the upcoming week. I hope you would like this video. If you liked, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.